I think most people have lost touch with nature. Or if you live in a place like this, with high mountains, with snow, glaciers, and marvelous shaped hills, they get used to it. Once I was walking in California in the high mountains. I was looking at the sunset, and I was standing very still, and a horse came up behind me with a man on it, and he looked at me and he said, "Why do you stand there so still? What's wrong with you?" So most of people, I feel, since they have lost their sensitivity to nature, to all the extraordinary beauty of the earth, somehow they seem to lose their relationship with man. I don't think you can have deep, profound relationship with human beings unless you have also a great feeling for nature. The mountains, the rivers, the various animals. And you can't have this appreciation, the feeling for beauty, for nature, if you kill animals. Then you become rather coarse and ugly. As you walk down one of these European lanes, along a valley with mountains all around you, and see the snow-capped mountains and the running rivers, do you ask yourself ever, what's your relationship to them all, to the birds, to the animals? Or you have no time at all, but just pass through them and say how beautiful and go on? If you do ask what your relationship is, and if you have no relationship to that tree or to that bird, then what kind of relationship can you have with human beings? We all seem to think, at least most people do, that we are separate individuals, feeling exclusive and thinking that being individuals, we are free. We are really not actually individuals at all, because each human being has the same problems, the same sorrows, the same fears, the same anxieties and griefs and hurts and all that. Every human being goes through this. And so psychologically, inwardly, there is no really an individual. What is the common factor of every human being? When one realizes that, not verbally or intellectually, deeply, then the petty, narrow individual existence disappears.